или вот эти? А вот сейчас смотри, приподнимать надо будет. Удар будет?
Norwood Industries introduces the next generation in portable sawmills, the Lumbermate 2000 series. Engineered for commercial as well as personal use, the Lumbermate is the affordable sawmill that many farmers, woodlot owners, and commercial sawyers have been looking for. The standard mill can saw logs 31 inches in diameter by 13 feet in length. It can saw beams and boards a full 24 inches wide. 4-foot extensions are available to saw logs of any length. The rigid bed is constructed of 2.5 by 8 inch debossed galvanized steel beams. This structure provides 3/8 of an inch thickness to handle logs up to the maximum capacity. The narrow kerf, deep gullet blades cut easily through hardwood and softwood alike. The resulting cut is so smooth, it gives the term rough-sawn lumber a whole new meaning. The simple design of the Lumbermate ensures continuous trouble-free operation with only routine maintenance and lubrication. All the functions on the mill are manually operated. The manual feed allows the operator to feel the cut as he goes. He can sense when to slow down for hard spots and knots and get smooth, straight lumber every cut. The Lumbermate can be transported from site to site using the optional trailer package. Weighing only 900 pounds, it trailers easily behind any vehicle at highway speeds, as well as behind an ATV or snowmobile through the woodlot. One person alone can transport, maneuver, set up, and saw logs into lumber, making this truly a one-person sawmill. The trailer package comes complete with independent, quick disconnect torsion axles, full-size wheels, braking winch, carriage clamps, and lighting kit. Setup time for ground level sawing is 7 minutes or less. Sawing at ground level makes the log handling easier too. Logs can be rolled directly onto the mill. The throat is widened or narrowed by using the blade guide adjusting arm. Blade guides are engineered to enable sawing as low as 1 inch from the bed. A blade lube system is supplied to keep the blade and guides clean, cool, and lubricated. An automatic clutch is used so that the blade needs only to be moving while sawing. The depth of cut is made quickly by manually raising or lowering the counterbalanced saw head. A scaled indicator is provided to saw lumber to the required dimension. The Lumbermate is versatile. Standard, it's an exceptional personal mill. Add any of Norwood's unique commercial capacity options, and the Lumbermate becomes a professional duty mill. The Norwood log loader makes sawing easier in 3 ways. It loads logs, repositions logs as they are being loaded, and also rotates the log on the bed. It makes loading, repositioning, and turning an effortless task for anyone working alone. The log loader permits one person to saw logs into lumber by himself. A 2-speed winch provides easy mechanical advantage for loading large, heavy logs. A quick-attached log hook is used to rotate the log and holds it firmly while dogging. This one feature alone will save the operator much time and effort. The log loader works with the Lumbermate both at ground level and also when it's mounted on the trailer package and support legs. The Norwood Mini extensions increase the length of the Lumbermate by 2 feet. A mini extension installed on each end will add 4 feet to the mill. The mini extensions are quick connect or disconnect for fast and easy use. They are ideally suited for operators wishing to trailer the Lumbermate without the extra length. The Norwood Towboard package was designed to make handling logs easier in 2 ways. First, for lengthwise repositioning of the log, and second, as log taper towboards. The towboard package greatly speeds up the sawing operation and can increase your lumber yield by 10%. Working with small logs, the lift hook enables good lifting posture and keeps your hands dry when working in wet weather. For quick moving and sorting of logs, use the log carrier, either with 4 or 2 men. A cant hook is required when maneuvering, rolling, or repositioning logs. The Log Wizard is a one-of-a-kind chainsaw attachment that can be used for notching and shaping of timbers, for log home building, or debarking of dirty logs for sawmilling. Debarking muddy logs at the point of blade entry will save your blades from dulling prematurely. Keep your blades razor sharp with the semi-automatic blade sharpener. The sharpener maintains tooth shape and restores the sharp tip for accurate sawing. It clamps in a bench vise for fast setup. Use the tooth setter to maintain the original set or alter the set to your requirements. The tooth setter will set teeth accurately to 1/1000th of an inch. Lap siding and shingles can be milled directly on the Lumbermate by using the lap siding and shingle jig. In the lap siding configuration, boards up to 12 inches wide can be milled with tapers down to a feather edge or to any taper of your choice. The lap siding jig is simple to operate and can be quickly changed over for shingle making operations. One unit enables 2 shingles to be made on each pass. Add a second or third unit to double or triple production. The Lumbermate will saw shingles and lap siding. It will saw dimensional lumber, beams and planks. It will flat saw and quarter saw. It can edge, resaw, and resize. You can mill 2x10s, 2x6s, 2x4s, 4x4s, 24-inch squared beams, or thin 1/16th of an inch veneers. You can mill exactly what you want, when you want. The Lumbermate comes in knockdown form. A kit, in other words, Complete step-by-step instructions, photos, illustrations, and assembly video are included. Only basic tools are needed. It can be inexpensively delivered to any location, and it can be shipped immediately from our inventory. This means you receive your mill in days, not weeks or months. The Lumbermate carries a full 2-year warranty. We provide you with lifetime toll-free telephone support for as long as you want it. And we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee of satisfaction. The rugged, high-capacity Lumbermate 2000 series is ideal for the private woodlot owner and commercial operator alike. Norwood Industries introduces the next generation in portable sawmills, the Lumbermate 2000 series. Engineered for commercial as well as personal use,
удачно сделали вот эти. А вот сейчас смотри, приподнимать надо будет. Удар будет.